Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally getting started on organizing my pantry. This is Carol Robinson, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell as well so you will be updated in my next video. To make this pantry look passable, we're starting the very first part, and that is removing everything in this pantry. This pantry is not that bad because I always clean and organize everything without using any organizer. But at this time for a change, I am trying to look forward for a more modern look. Now that the pantry were clear out, we can start planning out where we want to put our organizers. I can't wait to see how this organization turned out, but I know for sure that somehow, no matter how we organize things and food, it will turn back as where it started. But I am always excited for more organization in the future. I found these containers from Amazon along with this chalkboard label. You can use any containers as you would like, but for me, I have a little one in the house, so the more safer is this clear and plastic. I also found these little containers from Home Goods, and I thought I could use it for my coffee and tea. You know what? I really don't know if this 3-tire spice organizer from Walmart can hold that long with bottles and canned goods. But for now, I will use it just to see how it looks. I found also this middle basket, and I love the wood part. It looks elegant and neat. I like the handle. It is very useful in case I need to take it out from the pantry. These household bins feature easy carry handles to make it simple to transport goods from pantry to shelf to table. Handles fold inward to make bins easy to stack to create space saving. hope you all enjoy this video and that inspire you to maybe tackle a place to your home that maybe needs attention. Please make sure to make this video a thumbs up, and I see you all in the next one.